it's Nicole from Darvanalee Designs Studio. Today it is a Saturday, so it is Saturday in the studio with Nicole, and basically I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing today. So as most of you know, I do a variety of different crafts and whatnot. So let's get just stuck into it straight away. I have opened them all up just to make it a little bit easier. This one is to do with diamond painting. So I have got back into my diamond painting. I started, sorry about the rustling, I started back in 2018. I started diamond painting, and I've done it off and on for the last few years. So this one I got from AliExpress. This one came from, and these are journals. So they have like a rhinestone, and I'm just going to open up one. But I thought these would be good to keep a record of different things that I'm doing. A few other companies have them as well. Paint with Diamonds has them. And as I said, I got these ones off AliExpress. And I'm just going to open it up to show you what we got in the pack. So obviously you get your tray and your wax and some baggies for your diamonds, and also an applicator pen. You get a journal that has okay, so it's actually, you can put the date in it and whatnot. It's just a lined journal, so that would make a perfect journal for keeping a track of what's going on with my diamond painting. And it just has the clear cover, which comes off quite easily, and it is, I'm just going to check how tacky it is. Okay, so this is a partial, so it's got the printed design in the background, and then the butterflies and some of the flowers are in the foreground, and it is quite tacky. So considering I only paid a few dollars for them, I will leave a link down below where I got them off AliExpress. They are a vinyl cover. The only thing that disturbs me a little bit is that the tray's left an indentation in it, but considering it's just a journal, it's okay. So I got 3 of them. And one of these are going to actually be a giveaway on the channel, so you'll have to keep an eye out for my diamond paint with me. I'm thinking that this one here will be the one that I'll give away. All the butterflies, maybe you can choose. Anyway, that is what I got from AliExpress. They were $6 each, so pretty affordable for a little craft. As you can see, you've got all your little, these are rhinestone ones, so these are really sparkly ones that have come with this, and there looks to be about 8 colors, maybe more. 6, 8, 10, and it's got a couple of little different gems in it as well, so you can see there's a few different types of diamonds to put in there. You've got your regular little rhinestones, and then you've got some of these accents, I suppose you would call them. And they're sort of iridescent. This one here is like an orange iridescent. It's probably not really picking up on camera. This one's just a gold center, I'd say, for flowers. And then we've got some larger purple ones as well. So yeah, they and there looks to be plenty. Like, there looks to be even more than I need. So I'll have a few extras left in that one. All right, so that is what I got from AliExpress this week. I do have more stuff coming, so you'll have to tune in each week to see what I have got in the mail. Each kit has come exactly the same. Keep an eye out on my Paint With Me's. We'll have one of these journals as a giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me today, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you again next Saturday for another unboxing. Bye for now.